How to unban Litmatch account? First of all, you need to ensure that you haven't violated any rules and regulations of Litmatch. If you haven't violated any kinds of rules and regulation of Litmatch but still your account has got banned, then you don't need to worry because this is temporary ban. So in order to fix this kind of issue and unban your account, simply you can follow the two procedures. That is, one is to compose the email and send to Litmatch. For that, open the Gmail application on your device. As you open, you will see Compose button at bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on Compose and then you need to compose a mail to the Litmatch team. On to section, you need to type in suggestions at litmatch.net and on the subject request to unban my account. Remember, you don't need to forget to write your address or your ID and date of birth. After that, tap on the arrow at top right corner of the screen and your mail will be sent to Litmatch. So this was the one way to unban your Litmatch account. The other is simply by paying 100 diamonds. When you open Litmatch application, you will see the message that is saying unban Litmatch account message. Then you have to select the pay 100 diamond, which will be underneath your message, and after that your Litmatch account will be unbanned. So by following these two ways, you can easily unban Litmatch account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.